Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we're making a delicious Thai peanut chopped cabbage salad.
Grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Today's show is brought to you in part by Complement. As healthy as it is, did you know there are a handful of missing or hard-to-get nutrients from a plant-based diet? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why I take Complement Plus every day. Complement Plus contains the 8 critical nutrients in dosages optimized specifically for plant-based eaters. Plus, they're completely transparent about ingredient sourcing and third-party testing, publishing the results directly on their website. As a special discount for our viewers, just use the code WFPB15 at checkout to save 15% off of your order.
Welcome back to the show, everybody. I'm so glad you're here because we have an amazing, simple, quick, delicious salad for you today. This is a Thai peanut chopped cabbage salad. Super robust, super crunchy, and super good for you. So I'm going to jump right in. We have 6 cups of chopped cabbage, and I've chopped it, into little bite-sized pieces, and I did half green cabbage and half red cabbage. And if you watched the special from Dr. Greger and nutritionsfacts.org, he says that when you're picking your vegetables, ones that you're focusing more on eating, if you're going to eat cabbage or something like onions, to pick the ones that are red in color because they have way more phytonutrients in them and nutrients. So that's why I mixed half and half. And it's also beautiful. So we're just going to put that in our bowl. So you need a pretty decent sized bowl. And I like this recipe because you can make it on one day and it depends on how many you're feeding, but this for my husband and I will last us 2 to 3 days. So it keeps well in the fridge. It's all great. Then I'm going to add 1 can of already rinsed and drained garbanzo beans. Or you could even use edamame, the already shelled edamame, those little bright green colors, they're so vibrant. Those taste great in here too. This is half a cup of diced green onion. 1 bell pepper, also diced. 2 generous teaspoons of minced ginger. That really gives it a powerful punch of flavor, and it's so good for you. A half a cup of roasted unsalted peanuts. You can use salted peanuts too, but these just happen to be unsalted. Then we're going to put about a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And I like to use the little setting just so you don't get any really big chunks of that red pepper. But that gives it a little bit of a spicy bite. And then because we're using lime juice in the dressing, I grated off some of the zest. So it's about a teaspoon of lime zest. And that's also, there's so much nutrition in the skin of limes and lemons. There's so much vitamin C. If you can eat it raw, put it in there. It gives you a little bit of pizzazz of flavor, and it's just all around good. All right, I'm gonna move this stuff out of here so we can get our dressing ingredients together. Hey, just a quick reminder here, our Kickstarter for our upcoming new cookbook, Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy Volume 2, is now live, and we would love for you to join us to get your copy. The cookbook has 101 more of our tried and true recipes, each with a full color photo and a scannable QR code linking to a video of me making the recipe here on the show. We are offering exclusive Kickstarter bundles and the rare and limited opportunity to have your name, picture, and plant-based success story appear in the cookbook. The Kickstarter is the place to order your copy, so we invite you to follow the link in the description to back this project and help us bring this cookbook to life. Okay, let's get back to the show. Okay, now we have our dressing ingredients here, and if you want a printable version of this recipe, it'll be in a link in the details below. So first we have 1/3 cup of peanut butter. We're just going to put that in our small NutriBullet container here. These are Deglette dates. If you're using Medjool dates, then you only need to have 2. 2 teaspoons of Bragg's liquid aminos, or low sodium soy sauce or tamari. They all work just fine. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons of lime juice. And then we're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of Thai red curry paste. I like this. This is available in just about any grocery stores, and it's got a great flavor. I'm just going to toss that in there. Okay. And 1/2 cup of water, which is what I forgot here. Okay, 1/2 cup of water. Now we're just going to blend this until it's super, super creamy. There we go. So this part is completely optional for you. If you want to mix it all together and mix in all of the sauce in with it, that's great. But you could also just mix up your salad like this and keep it in a Tupperware container in your fridge and keep this with its lid on, and then just pour it onto your individual salads. But we like to just mix it all at one time. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pour all of that in there. Oh, all of these flavors. The ginger's really popping out and the peanut butter together. Now all you have to do is stir it up. So with the dressing on there, it ends up being kind of like a coleslaw. So a Thai flavored coleslaw. There we go. Super simple. You can have this ready in about 15 minutes and you have a great, healthy, vibrant salad. So I'm going to get a bowl and a fork, and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share with you some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our new Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting members. By becoming a supporting member, you gain access to great member perks like monthly product giveaways, free downloads of our ebooks, and access to our in-depth courses, including our 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy course, where we offer a step-by-step guide to making the switch to a fully plant-based diet. We create this show for the hundreds of thousands of viewers just like you who tune in each month from all over the world to make it easy for everyone to live a plant-based lifestyle. So if you love our content, please join us on our mission and become a supporting member today by following the link in the description. Okay, let's get back to the show. All right, guys, let's dive in. Definitely looking forward to some salad tonight. All right. Oop, I think I lost most of it there. I absolutely love a super crunchy salad. That cabbage. You taste all the peanut. It's a little spicy. We get the lime juice, so it's really zesty. Super light and delicious. You're just gonna love this one. Perfect for spring or summer. So be sure to give this video a like, and I'll see you next week for another great recipe.